Good question. Everybody wants the H-1B visa approval after getting this H-1B lottery. But the big question is how to get it approved. What are the critical 5 elements which you must be mindful of would allow you to get the H-1B approval at the end of the September. So on October 1st, you can be an H-1B employee. Okay? First and foremost, analyzing the job itself, whether the job falls under the specialty occupation or not. Okay? So whether that particular job is categorized as a specialized enough job under the ONET category, having at least a job zone 4 background. So if it's less than job zone 4, it will get denied most of the time. Okay? So make sure any offered job must be under the ONET must have job zone 4. So that's one issue. Now the second issue is the salary. Are you getting level 1 wage for that particular position? So if it's a level 1 wage, immigration might have a doubt whether this is actually a specialty occupation. Okay? So there would be a question mark. So try to remain on level 2 salary. Number 3, whether the offered job and your degree has a perfect match. Are they matchy-matchy? So if they are not matching with the offered job, then it might result in denial. So how to overcome that prong, right? You might have a job experience in the past which you can document it, get the experience letter from the past employer, and add that into the degree and obtain a credential evaluation, a combination of a degree and a work experience evaluation, resulting in a relevant degree to the offered job. So those 3 elements are very, very critical. Now, fourth prong could be employer is blacklisted or it's not a bona fide employer. Employer cannot prove it has a need or ability to employ this person. It's a too small company. It has 2 employees, but try to hire an accountant. So it doesn't make sense. 2 employees, most of the employers have a bookkeeper. They don't have an accountant. So the bookkeeper does not require a bachelor's degree in accounting to perform the specialty occupation related job duties of an accountant, which is responsible for preparing financial statement, balance sheet, analyzing the past and present finances, and predicting or preparing the budget. So that is a much more complex task than calculating debit and credit and who paid, who did not pay, and call for the collection. So because of these nuances, you want to make sure the job or the employer is bona fide and it has a bona fide job duties as described in the I-129 supporting petition letter. Other employer could be blacklisted for doing fraud or having a past material misrepresentation. That also you want to avoid before filing the case. Do a Google search. Most of the things now even ChatGPT will bring it in. So do your best to find the background of the employer. A lot of IT consulting companies might not be playing fair, and they might have a bad reputation, or they might have committed some crime, but which is not really crime yet. But in the eyes of the immigration, it's a bad actor. So avoid those, okay? There will be some employers, they might have a FDNS site visit before, and FDNS officer went there, company was closed. So those are also blacklisted in the system. So try to find a matching job to your degree, number 1. If it's not matching, use the job experience, if you have them, to combine and produce a relevant, directly related degree to satisfy the prongs under the H-1B modernization rule of January 17, 2025. Good luck.